Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lucy, and today I want to show you my new tights. These tights are really high quality and fit beautifully on the legs. When choosing nylon tights, pay attention to a few important points. First, check the denier. The higher the denier, the more durable they are, but also warmer. Second, look at the composition. Tights with added lycra provide a good fit and elasticity. It's also important to choose the right size. Remember that tights should be comfortable and not constrict the legs. And of course, choose tights with a beautiful design. They can be a great addition to your outfit. Thank you all for watching. Share in the comments which tights you like and which you consider to be high quality and beautiful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the profile description in the comments. See you next time!